Let's have a really nice conversation about the positives and the negatives of AI and design.
Walter Gropius said, "Together, let us desire, conceive, and create the new structure of the future." So this idea of designing futures, we could say, is very deeply embedded in the history of design, and ID's history in particular.
What is maybe creepy today also kind of becomes standard in the future, and trying to kind of predict what are some of those interactions that we might design in a way that is not violating any principles that we might have in using AI, but also can kind of scaffold users over time.
One of the things that we realized is that we really did our best work when we treated data science as a discipline of design, working alongside and integrated inside of design teams, so that we were prototyping those algorithms alongside the broader experience.
We're right now at a moment where designers really want to be data scientists, right? But we want to do the work kind of differently. We want to set aside some of the assumptions that are made by data scientists or computational scientists and bring in design thinking, right? Bring in human-centeredness.
One of the superpowers that designers have that other people don't have is the ability to visualize and make tangible the future before it happens.
AI may not have a relevant place in your customer offering, but actually has a fundamental role in how you get customer service done, and making sure that design thinking is embedded in that process.
I think that one of the things that's really strongest for ID grads is just the collaborative nature. So really thinking that you're working with partners and trusting in those partners.
At its essence, that's what ID teaches, is to really be human-centered around who you design about, with, and for, and the impact.